Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you spend your money wisely. Or at least, help you spend it faster. Today, we're throwing two robot vacuums into the ring for an epic showdown. The iRobot Roomba 692 and the Lefant M210 Pro. Will the Roomba 692 sweep away the competition, or will the Lefant M210 Pro suck? Suck up the win? Let's find out. First up, the price. The Roomba 692 is priced at $269, while the Lefant M210 Pro is a more wallet-friendly $209. So if you want to save some bucks and still get a robot to do your dirty work, Lefant's already looking like the cheaper date. But remember, sometimes you get what you pay for. Or maybe even less. Next, let's talk cleaning systems. The Roomba 692 boasts a 3-stage cleaning system with dual multi-surface brushes. It's like having a tiny army of cleaners under your couch. Amazon reviewers praise it for its good suction and ability to navigate thresholds and corners, although it can be loud and requires some supervision. Meanwhile, Lefant M210 Pro has a unique suction mouth and powerful suction. They removed the bottom roller brush, which means no more untangling pet hair for hours. Reviewers love its effectiveness in picking up dog hair and its quiet operation. So, pet owners, rejoice! Your furry friend's hair won't turn your vacuum into a fur ball itself. Smart features. Because who doesn't want a vacuum that's smarter than your ex? The Roomba 692 learns your cleaning habits and can be controlled by Alexa or Google Assistant. It's like having a cleaning butler who listens to your every command. Reviewers note that the app only allows for one user at a time, which can be a bit limiting. The Lefant M210 Pro also connects to an app and supports voice control, but it's got 4 cleaning modes: automatic, planning, fixed point, and edge. It's like the Swiss Army knife of cleaning modes. Reviewers highlight its ease of setup and use, though some mention the lack of reusable maps. So if you're into micromanaging every speck of dust, Lefant's got you covered. Let's talk navigation. The Roomba 692 has adaptive navigation with a full suite of advanced sensors. It's like the James Bond of vacuums, dodging furniture and avoiding cliffs. Reviewers appreciate its ability to find dirt and navigate around the house, though it can get stuck occasionally. On the other hand, the Lefant M210 Pro comes with FreeMove 3.0 technology and 6D built-in anti-collision infrared sensors. It's like it has a sixth sense for avoiding obstacles and getting itself unstuck. Reviewers are impressed with its obstacle avoidance and efficiency. So if you have a house that's more obstacle course than home, Lefant might just be the parkour expert you need. Design and size. Because size does matter, at least when it comes to cleaning under your bed. The Roomba 692 has a sleek, premium design that complements your decor. It's like the vacuum version of a fashion model. But Lefant M210 Pro is smaller, with an 11 inches diameter and 2.99 inches height, perfect for those hard-to-reach places. It's like the vacuum ninja, sneaking into all those tight spots. Reviewers find the Lefant easy to clean and appreciate its compact size, though some mention the shorter battery life. So if your dust bunnies hide in the smallest corners, Lefant's got the edge. Overall, Amazon reviewers have mixed sentiments about both products. The Roomba 692 is praised for its thorough cleaning and adaptability, but noted for its noise level and occasional need for supervision. The Lefant M210 Pro is loved for its pet friendliness, quiet operation, and compact design, though some users miss features like reusable maps and a longer battery life. Alright folks, there you have it. The Roomba 692 and the Lefant M210 Pro, each with their own strengths and quirks. If you're looking for a smart, adaptable cleaner with a premium feel, Roomba's your buddy. But if you want a budget-friendly, pet hair-busting ninja, Lefant's your guy. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep your floors clean and your wallet happy. And remember, if you're not buying smart, you're buying, well, dumb. Product links are in the description.